Gigil na gigil ako sa inyo. Yes, sa inyo lahat. Dahil everyday kayo nagdi-DM sa akin o nagpo-private message sa akin. Hi guys! It's me again, Albert Cunyawan, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, nakita nyo, dito pa rin kami. Medyo special yung setup namin ngayon. Today, I'm so excited to share with you my own way of doing a very easy, fresh, everyday makeup dahil gigil na gigil ako sa inyo. Yes, sa inyo lahat dahil everyday kayo nagdi-DM sa akin o nagpo-private message sa akin on paano gumawa ng step-by-step na fresh everyday makeup. Guys, ang daming-daming natin video. Pero sige na nga. Alam mo naman, sa channel ko lagi, isi-simplify ko lahat. Kung pwede natin skip yung step 1 to 9 para diretso agad sa step 10, we will do that. So in short, I will simplify the steps and the technique and the tricks so that it's gonna be easy for you guys to follow every step chart. So ngayon, what make it even simpler and easy to achieve because we gonna use only one products. Yes, this is the products. So this is actually Dainty Dash from Tevian. So ito yung latest products ng Tevian. I'm so proud of these products. Disclaimer lang guys, I know baka may nagre-react na naman sa comment section na
ang yabang ko, masyado self-proclaim.
pero guys, totoo lang. I-share ko lang sa inyo dahil super proud ako dito kasi it's not easy to create these products because I know it looks simple, like, or maybe perhaps you say that you've been seeing this kind of products somewhere or ano. But guys, the idea of this product is to have a lot of products in one pan from different kind of formulations in one pan and press in one time. It's not easy to achieve it, guys. At the same time also, we infuse it with vitamin E just because we are also stressful with the idea wearing mask whole day and of course yung mga virus, COVID, blah blah blah, and that's why the idea of putting vitamin E to make our skin really taken care. And of course vitamin E is very important nowadays, especially for our skin because it's also antioxidant. So technically, it's actually helping the skin to distress. Yes, parang naka-spa, parang ganon, parang naka-rejuvenate. Char. And also, vitamin E also helping or protecting the skin from all the damage created by the free radicals around us. Tama ba? Do I make sense? So, do you understand? Or may mali ba sinasabi ko guys? Comment na lang kayo sa comment box. If you have more question also, please comment there para I can read. Or if you have more questions para mas madali tayo mag-usap, you guys can follow me on TikTok at ABT Cunyawan where I always answer most of the questions about makeup, non-makeup related there lahat guys. So ngayon, kunyari hindi ako yung gumawa ng Dainty Dash. So kunyari ako ibang influencers.
Okay naman siya. Yung color niya very Tevian, tapos yung logo niya very Tevian, metallic, no? Pero yung I think ito medyo kapartner nila yung Horus, no? Kasi medyo Egyptian, no? Oo. So, sis, mga sis out there, oo, pamay na lang ha, screenshot na lang. Yung quote natin ay Tevian, oo. Diyos ko, mga sis, ito siya, 5 kulay siya, charot.
Alam mo, parang pabadoy na. Anyway guys, kung nagugustuhan nyo, mag-online selling tayo sa channel natin, guys.
Oh, sis, next item is Dainty Dash. Oo, Dainty Dash, no? Oo. Ay, nako, parang ano to, no? O, sige. Ano na lang to? Baksak presyo na lang to. Pamay na lang, sis. Oo. 5 kulay to. Hindi ko alam kung paano, char.
Anyway, so it's 5 colors. So it has 2 color for highlighters. If you notice, we have the warmer color and we have the cooler color also. But both color can be easily used on any skin tone. Meaning, if you're morena, if you are maputi, mestiza, or kahit anong yung alam ko yung parang maraming nagtatanong sa akin ngayon yung mga undertone. Kahit anong undertone nyo, bagay na bagay kayo dito. And if you notice also, yung contour powder niya is not something very hard to use or something is really warm, too warm. So technically, it's a cool tone of contour powder. And definitely, this is my favorite item here because this is actually the lip and cheek powder. Yes, lip and cheek powder. Lip and cheek powder meaning you can use it on the lips and at the same time you can use on the cheek. So technically, it's easy to blend siya either using fingertip or brush. Pero sa lips kasi, I'm going to demonstrate to you on what kind of magic it can do on our lips also at the same time. So yung color niya is actually both color of the lip and cheek powder nito is always gusto ko kasi very easy pang everyday na hindi masyadong halata na naka-lipstick or naka-blush on kayo pero it give a hint of freshness at the same time also for the lips is definitely on the lips parang maging siya my lip but better. And pinaka gusto ko sa lahat ay walang siya terracotta color sa option natin guys. So yung 5 colors na to walang terracotta. So alam mo naman, hit na hit ko yung terracotta colors. Wala siya dito, so siguraduhin ko yung color nito ay giving freshness to all of you. So kahit lalaki pwede rin to kasi I've been using this on my lips also. Nakita nyo? And give me a freshness, no? And then of course guys, without further ado, we will start on how to use this and how to achieve the everyday fresh makeup. For liquid foundation, I would really like to choose a very lightweight one. And of course, if you have any existing foundation, but guys, please concentrate on the center part of the face like what I do. And then slowly spread it around the face. But in my case today, I'm using this Cover Fix or Cover FX Power Play Foundation or Fondant. Setting with powder is very important to keep our makeup last really long, and you guys can also apply a little amount of powder foundation on the outer part of the face. And we are going to use this Dainty Dust palette from Tevian. This is the latest palette of Tevian and the only complete face palette of Tevian. And definitely I'm going to start by contouring the eyes. You can use the contour color of the brown to contour your eyes or as eyeshadows. And then of course, I'm going to contour also the cheek. And then contour the nose.
What we do here is go back.
And highlights the eyes. Guys, highlighting the eyes is very important to give you that inner glow. And of course, open up the eyes, especially the inner corner of the eyes. Using small brush to open up the eyes, I'm going to take this brown shades of the Dainty Dust to color under the eyes. Using any blush colors, apply it on top of the crease as a transition color to add a little bit of warmth to your eyes, and it's gonna give you colors that really will match to your lips and cheeks also. For the blush on, I'm going to mix both colors. Or that's what I like about this Dainty Dust, because you can actually custom your own blush on color. Either one color, the pink tone or the orange tone, or you can mix the both. Using the yellow tone highlighters, I'm going to highlight the bridge of the nose. Using a brush or a fingertip, or also you guys can use this color on the chin or cupid bow also. While the pinkish highlighters naman, I'm going to highlight the highest part of the cheekbone. And also the brow bone to give that freshness effect of the Bagong Ligo. To finish everything, I'm going to blend or mix all the colors and put a thin layer on top of the cheek, across the nose, so it will add a little bit more of texture and glow. And now, of course, for everyday freshness, we do not forget the eyebrows. For the eyebrow, I'm going to use this eyebrow duo powder from Tevian in Highness. Highness is actually my favorite color from the eyebrow duo because it's giving you a universal color. So it can really go for an intense color or a very light and pang everyday color. Curling our lashes is actually a must for our everyday. I know some of you really don't practice this lash curling thing, but guys, to open up your eyes, to make your eyes really appear beautiful and presentable, opening it up by curling the lashes is very important. When you apply mascara, make sure you start from the base. You start from the lash line or the base of the lashes before you really spread it around till the end or the tip of the lashes. And then like what I do, I'm using this small spoolie from Tevian Mount Cherry Mascara because the small spoolie technically is just like a microfiber, so it's a little bit dry, but it gives or adds volume, where the bigger side of spoolie is always spreading the formulation because it's giving a intensity of blood of our lashes. Now moving on to the lips. So before we start using the lip powder, always remember to rehydrate the lips since powder isn't really hydrating, but it is actually can seal or lock the moisture from the lip balm. So applying any lip balm, any favorite lip balm that you have, either transparent, colorless, or the one with color. In my case today, I'm going to use a little bit with a hint of tint color of lip balm. This lip and cheek powder is actually very lightweight, very comfortable to wear. You guys can easily apply it using any brush, any eyeshadow brush, or even fingertip, and it's giving a blurring effect. It's blurring away all the lines that we have on our lips. What I like the most, it is actually transfer proof, very lightweight, very comfortable. As you guys can see, it doesn't transfer to your mask. And thanks for watching. See you guys on my next video.